in the mirror. That person staring back, he might be making 6 critical mistakes right now. Mistakes that keep him weak, stuck, and invisible. Before you waste another day living in that version of yourself, you need to know what they are. And more importantly, how to fix every single one. This changes today. Do you want to spot weakness in yourself before it's too late? And more importantly, fix it. Let's talk about 6 undeniable signs and exactly how to rise above every single one. Sign 1. Emotional reactivity. A weak man is controlled by his emotions. He snaps, he sulks, he erupts. A strong man, he controls his response. He feels the emotion, but he chooses his action. Master your emotions, or they will master you. Sign 2. The excuse machine. A weak man has an excuse for everything. His boss, his genetics, his bad luck. A strong man takes radical ownership. My life is my responsibility. Period. Excuses hold you back. Ownership propels you forward. Sign 3. Approval addiction. If you constantly need others to validate your choices, you are giving your power away. Do they like me? Do they approve? A strong man's validation comes from within. He knows who he is. He doesn't need the crowd to clap for him. Sign 4. Challenge avoidance. Weak men run from hard things. They choose the comfortable path, the easy way out. Strong men run toward challenges. Why? Because they know that's the only path to growth. The obstacle is the way. Sign 5. Tearing others down. A weak man feels small, so he tries to make others feel smaller. Gossip, criticism, negativity. A strong man is too busy building his own legacy to tear down someone else's. He lifts others up. His focus is on his own journey. Sign 6. No discipline. This is the biggest one. A weak man is a slave to his impulses. Snooze button, junk food, endless scrolling. A strong man is a master of his daily habits. Small, consistent actions. Every single day. Discipline isn't punishment. It's freedom. You just saw the 6 signs. The question is, which one are you going to conquer first? Remember, you weren't born strong. You build strength. One choice at a time. Starting today. You now know the 6 signs. You've seen the reflection. The map is in your hands. This isn't about guilt. It's about clarity. And clarity without action is just entertainment. So here is your first command. Before this scroll ends, pick one. Just one of these 6. The one that stung the most when you heard it. That's your target. That's where your new strength begins. You don't have to fix all 6 today. You just have to start with 1. Master your response to one emotion. Eliminate one excuse. Validate one decision without looking for applause. Face one small challenge you've been avoiding. Lift up one person instead of criticizing. Execute one disciplined habit when you don't feel like it. Do that for one day, then do it again. You weren't born strong. You build strength, one choice, one day, one conquered sign at a time. The weak version of you ends now. The strong one begins with your next decision. Make it count.